we don't understand them, we might think they're harsh. But when you actually understand them, and you should not try to understand them because you want to explain them to someone else. You should understand them for yourself. That is the wrong reason to learn something. So what I want to share with you is not so you have something good to say to your non-Muslim coworker. We don't owe them an explanation first. We owe ourselves an explanation because we owe ourselves the obligation to understand the Book of Allah better. When we do that first, then naturally it will come from our heart that we will want to share its goodness with others. If the only reason you want to learn about Islam is public relations, there's a problem. That's not the reason you should want to learn about Islam. Just so you can make less embarrassing conversation with your non-Muslim friends. That's not the reason. Allah Azza wa Jal revealed ahkam, governance, laws, commandments that directly appeal to the nature of the human being because Allah knows who He created and who He is giving instructions to. So when we understand Allah's commands, the idea in the Quran is actually they resonate. There's something inside you, a conscience inside you that Allah created, this fitrah inside you that Allah put. When you understand the commands of Allah, forget about discomfort. You're like, that makes complete sense. That's so wise, that's so beautiful. And if we haven't arrived at that yet, maybe we haven't thought about it enough, about the ahkam of Allah, the rulings, the governance of Allah. And on the other hand, maybe our hearts aren't pure enough yet. May Allah Azza wa Jal give us both of those things, an understanding of the Book of Allah and purity in our hearts.